Good morning, Don. This is Max again from Loganville Ford. I just noticed that you emailed and you wanted to get some pictures, interior pictures. Well, I'm making a little video for you. So it is still a brand new 2014 Lariat with a navigation, heated cool seats with a moonroof. It's a pretty tan interior, memory seats. This is the back seats, quite a bit of leg room, power sliding rear window. I mean, this truck is the Mac Daddy. It's very nice. It's just unfortunately didn't get sale, and we are trying to blow this truck out as quick as we can. Once again, Don, this is Max at Loganville Ford. Here's the interior pictures or video for this truck. Please give me a call if you have any questions. 770-554-9994. Once again, Don, Max, Loganville Ford. 770-554-9994. Thank you, sir.